Hey everybody, congratulations. John and I both want to wish you best of luck in health and wellness with your new rock and roller controller. So here it came in the box, and you're going to have the foam, okay? You're going to see up here there's two holes in here, okay? And then inside, you have what we call Johnny's drumsticks. Box is empty, move that aside. It has a black tip here, and that's going to be utilized for your soft tissue massages down the road. And then on top here, you have the red caps for safety and the integrity of the screw. So once you have these aside, okay, and this is the start of it all. You're going to take it here, screw it right in here, just like this, nice and snug. Come across here on this side. And now, with this, you are ready to roll with the rock and roll control.